This is our brand new EYE XR, and it is a game changer for simulator golf. First, let's just take a look at what makes this thing so unique. It has two high-speed cameras, one tracking the ball and the other tracking your club. It also has 72 infrared lights guaranteeing accurate speed and launch angles. The rear ceiling mount design keeps it out of the way of foot traffic and allows you to swing freely and confidently without risk of damage. Setup is super simple and looks really clean with a single Ethernet cable for both power and data. The XR's compact, all-black design is minimalistic and blends in seamlessly. And with our club AI tracking, you can get club data without club face stickers. So that's the EYE XR. It's designed for players who care about accuracy, performance, and safety. And for under $7K, it's the most accessible elite launch monitor on the market by far.